Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm going to teach you how to make pancakes. It is a healthier version of pancakes which we are making today with oats and bananas. It does not have any refined flour, refined sugar or eggs. Yes, it is eggless. You can make these for breakfast or snacks. Trust me, you guys are gonna love these are healthy, nutritious and delicious. Especially the kids are gonna love these. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So I've taken about 1.5 cup of oats and I've ground them in a mixer, or you can use a blender to blend it into a fine powder and give it a nice mix. Next I'm gonna add a pinch of salt to it so it just balances out the flavors in the batter. Adding about half a teaspoon of baking powder to it. Giving it a nice mix. You can totally avoid this step, guys. I'm adding some cinnamon because I love it in the bananas. It tastes nice, and also I put it in my smoothies, so I'm adding some cinnamon to it and mix it well. So after we have incorporated all of these, I am going to put some mashed bananas. This would be about 2 ripe bananas, and these are the small ones, not very big, smaller than the medium size, and you can add 1.5 or 2 as you like. So I'm gonna pour it in and mix it nicely. Adding about 5 teaspoons of homemade curd and mix it well. A teaspoon of vanilla essence for some flavor. You can skip this, guys. Now about a teacup or 180 ml of milk. Whisk it really well this time so that all the ingredients are combined. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of jaggery powder to it. You can replace this with coconut sugar or date sugar. The batter should look somewhat like the dosa batter, so keep on whisking until you achieve that. This should be the consistency of the batter. Heat a pan on simmer. Brush some butter onto it. Now we are gonna add the pancake batter. I'm just gonna add about 2 spoons. Spread it evenly on the pan. It might get a little sticky. Once you see these bubbles coming up from the pancake, it's time to flip it. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook on one side. Once you flip it, cook it for another 3 minutes. And once this is done, I'm going to cook the rest of the pancakes. It's time to plate them up, guys. I'm adding some thinly sliced apples over here. You can use any kind of fruit you have, strawberries, raspberries, mangoes, whatever is available at your home. I'm using apples. Now I'm gonna add a dollop of dark chocolate on the side. I've melted some chocolate, so I'm just gonna add it. Next, I'm gonna drizzle some honey over the pancakes. You can use maple syrup if you have at your place, but I do not have maple syrup, so I'm gonna use honey. I'm gonna put it generously over the pancakes and the apples. I'm gonna top them up with some nuts. You can use any nuts over here. I'm using almonds. You can use cashew nut, walnut, whatever you have it in your stock. Be generous over here, guys. Nuts are very good for your health, so please be generous here. So we are done with the plating, guys. It's time to take a fork and a knife and dig into the yummy pancakes. So I hope you guys liked my recipe and you're gonna make it at your homes. Please do not forget to tag me in all your pictures on Instagram. I'm leaving my Instagram handle here. Also, please comment down below if you want more such recipes. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay happy.